Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix the connection problem for these earbuds. So let's start. So first of all, I will open the Bluetooth settings on my device. So I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this. It will open the Bluetooth settings. So here you can see it is showing JBL Endurance Peak 3. But if I select it to make a connection, after a few seconds it will give me a message that it is unable to connect with my device. So we just have to wait for a few seconds and then I will show you the further steps. So here you can see it is showing JBL Endurance Peak 3 couldn't connect. So now how to connect these earbuds? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to take this earbud and then here you can see this twist lock. So you have to move this twist lock behind the earbud like this. So here you can see this is how you can move the twist lock behind the earbud. So same thing you have to do for the right earbud as well. So here you can see this is the right earbud. So here is the twist lock. So I will just move it like this and I will move it behind the earbud like that. So once you do it like this, here you will see JBL Endurance Peak 3 is now showing. So what you can do, just select this connect option and it will start making a connection. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. So now everything is done. You can skip this Google option. Here you can see JBL Endurance Peak 3 is now connected with my device and ready to use. If you want to check it through the app, you can also check it. So I will just go out of the Bluetooth settings and then I open the JBL headphones app. So here you can see JBL Endurance Peak 3 is now showing. After few seconds you will see it will also get connected with the earbuds. So here you can see now it is connected with the earbuds with all the features and functionalities. Now I will show you how to fix the connection issue for JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds with iPhone. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings. So here is the Bluetooth icon. Just press and hold it like this. Again, I will press and hold it and then I select Bluetooth settings. So now here you can see Bluetooth is turned on and here it is showing JBL Endurance Peak 3 not connected. Now for example, if I try to connect it, for example, if I select it, after few seconds, it will say that it is unable to make a connection. So I will show you further steps what you have to do. So we just have to wait for a few seconds and then you will see a message about unsuccessful connection. So here you can see it is saying connection unsuccessful. So first of all, you have to press OK. Now what you have to do, you have to take out this earbud and you have to just move this twist lock behind this earbud. So same way that we do for Android, so we do it for iPhone as well. So we just twist this lock like this. So here you can see this is how you put it. So once you put it like this, you will see this blue color light will start blinking. So same thing we have to do for the right earbud as well. So I will just move this twist lock and I will move it behind the earbud like this. Okay, so here you can see the blue light also start blinking. Now first of all, what you can do is just select this JBL Endurance Peak 3 again. So now this time again it will say connection unsuccessful, but this time it will give you an option of forget device. So select this forget device option and now what you have to do, turn off the Bluetooth. So I will turn off the Bluetooth and now just turn it on again. So I will turn on it again. Now here you can see it is showing me JBL Endurance Peak 3 in available devices. So just select it. Now once you select it, it will start making a connection and this time it will make a successful connection. So here you can see JBL Endurance Peak 3 is now connected and ready to use. If you want to check it through the app, you can also do it. So I will just go out of the Bluetooth settings. I select JBL headphones app. So here you can see JBL Endurance Peak 3 is now connected with the app as well. So this is how you can fix the connection issue for JBL Endurance Peak 3. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.